look crazy. My hair is dry, my face is well. But today I just wanted to do a review on this product here. African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Helps minimize breakage for natural curls and curl. So this is it. I've been seeing good things about this, good reviews about this, so I decided to buy it and try it on my hair when it is extremely dry. Right now my hair is okay, you can see my hair is dry, my curls are horrible, so I decided to try this out. At the beauty supply store and I saw this. I'm like, yeah, it's cheap. What do I have to use right? Smells good. I got this for $5. Yeah, I got this for $5. So some days I can see and some days I can't see. So, well, so before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly.
So guys, I don't know what happened at that point of the video, but the audio just stopped working. Before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle and rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Follow with Moisture Miracle Nourish and Shine shampoo. So that was the direction that was written down on the tub.
Right now I divided my hair into 6 parts, and I'm going to start with the back. Oh my god, so this is the consistent. Oh, okay. It's just this jelly like, it's like a coiling styling gel. Okay, so I'm going to start with this section of my hair. I think I should put it in this. My hair is extremely dry, as you can see. So I'm just working it into my hair first as a whole. Guys, squeezing it in. Hey, wow, okay. This is like instantly softening my hair. Instantly. I can feel my tangles dissolving. It's crazy. So I want to divide this section into 2 and work on a small piece, right? Just work on this one. Now I'm just going to start my comb and tangle from the ends. This is my shed hair from behind. This is it. Crazy. Wow, I'm so impressed. Like, so guys, I just went ahead and I twisted it up. See, I will definitely get this product again. Definitely, there's no two ways about it, right? I'm going to get this and use it every time I want to shampoo my hair. Even if I don't shampoo my hair, I'll use it to actually detangle my hair. Like, it's so This is so moisturizing. It is so, I don't know, it has major like extra sleep. I was thinking it's going to be difficult for me to comb my hair because I left my hair to get dry, crunchy and matted up, but this just made it way easy to comb through, detangle. So like I'm going to buy this again. It's still a lot inside, so I don't know when it finishes. I'll definitely get it, and I actually advise you guys to get this product. If you don't want to get anything from the line, you can just purchase this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and show you guys. I'm done with this side of my hair and this side. Can you guys see how, like, this stuff is crazy. It's like a miracle in a tub, right? See? So guys, I am excited. Like, this product right here is like this going to be one of my staples because it made my wash day so easy, and I actually got to detangle my hair very well, and I'm just amazed, right? Can you see my hair? Can you see the shine? I know you guys know how soft this hair is. Like, unravel my twist. Like, my hair is so, it's like a fluffy pillow, right? I'm just speechless. My hair is beautiful. I'm actually appreciating my hair right now. I'm taking this time to appreciate my hair. My hair is beautiful. Yes, queen, soft. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video. It's just a short, not a short tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys this product and show you guys how it works and just do a review. I'm excited, and I'm going to the store to get another one. That's for sure. So thank you for watching.